about how can you fix this problem on your Tandem app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for Tandem app, or just click here on search, then here add Tandem. So then you click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, you come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, and you search for Tandem. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.